2024 Mazda CX-30. With less than 12,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's full of phenomenal features that any driver would appreciate, such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, memory seat, tinted windows, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat. Not finding what you're looking for? Give us your feedback.